Here's a list of common words along with more advanced alternatives that can help students enhance their vocabulary. These alternatives are more formal or precise, often preferred in academic writing or speaking. 1. Important. Crucial, essential, paramount. Example, it is crucial to address climate change. 2. Show. Demonstrate, exhibit, illustrate. Example, the study demonstrates a clear correlation. 3. Good. Excellent, exceptional, remarkable. Example, she has done an exceptional job on her project. 4. Bad. Detrimental, adverse, unfavorable. Example, the policy had an adverse effect on the economy. 5. Help. Assist, facilitate, aid. Example, the new software will assist in streamlining the process. 6. Get. Obtain, acquire, receive. Example, she was able to obtain a scholarship for her studies. 7. Need. Require, necessitate, demand. Example, the project requires significant funding. 8. Use. Utilize, employ, implement. Example, they utilized advanced technology to improve production. 9. Start. Commence, initiate, embark on. Example, they will commence construction next year. 10. Stop. Cease, halt, terminate. Example, the company decided to cease operations in the region. 11. Think. Contemplate, ponder, consider. Example, he is contemplating moving abroad for work. 12. Try. Endeavor, attempt, strive. Example, they are striving to improve customer satisfaction. 13. Say. Declare, state, assert. Example, the president declared a state of emergency. 14. Solve. Resolve, address, rectify. Example, they need to resolve the issue before it escalates. 15. Change. Alter, modify, transform. Example, the company plans to alter its marketing strategy. 16. Make. Create, generate, formulate. Example, she created a comprehensive plan for the project. 17. Big. Significant, vast, considerable. Example, there is a considerable difference in their opinions. 18. Small. Minor, insignificant, trivial. Example, the error was too trivial to affect the outcome. 19. Happy. Content, delighted, ecstatic. Example, she was ecstatic when she received the news. 20. Sad. Despondent, dejected, melancholy. Example, he felt despondent after the failure of his business. 21. Cheap. Inexpensive, affordable, economical. Example, the product is both high quality and affordable. 22. Expensive. Costly, exorbitant, pricey. Example, the car was too costly for her budget. 23. Angry. Irate, furious, enraged. Example, the customer was furious about the poor service. 24. Interesting. Fascinating, intriguing, engrossing. Example, it's an intriguing study on human behavior. 25. Tired. Exhausted, fatigued, weary. Example, she felt exhausted after the long journey. 26. Fast. Rapid, swift, expeditious. Example, they need to take swift action to prevent damage. 27. Slow. Leisurely, sluggish, protracted. Example, the process was protracted due to bureaucratic delays. 28. Easy. Simple, effortless, straightforward. Example, the task seemed straightforward to complete. 29. Difficult. Challenging, demanding, arduous. Example, it was an arduous task to accomplish. 30. Old. Ancient, antiquated, outdated. Example, the antiquated system needs to be updated. These words can help you sound more sophisticated and improve your score in the IELTS writing and speaking sections. Practicing their use in context will also improve your fluency.